guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's DIY, I have a Dollar Tree faux plant DIY for you today. So I saw these beautiful wall hangings decor at my local store here, and the price was like really expensive, so I was like, no, I need to make something. I would love something like that for my wall. So I decided to make it myself and use some Dollar Tree products. So everything you saw in here you can get at Dollar Tree. If you want to see how I made these beautiful wall decor, then keep on watching. Okay, so for the first DIY wall terrarium hanger, we're going to start with this terrarium. You're going to have this twine hanging on there. It is so beautiful, clean, very easy to do. It's just going to take the succulents and some white rocks from Dollar Tree. Like I said, everything is from Dollar Tree. And let's go ahead and see how to make that. First, we're going to start with a terrarium planter, of course, from Dollar Tree. And you're going to have your white rocks. And you're going to take your white rocks and put them in there. I did not put a lot in there. All you're going to need for this DIY is just the white rocks and your succulent. Now, for my succulent plant, I picked this particular color, but you can pick the green one. I thought that this particular succulent stuck out a lot, and it had that nice, cute little pop to it. So that's what you're going to do with that. What you're going to do is you're going to also take your succulent and just kind of push it down to the center of the rocks. It made it so much easier to do that. And as you can see, it looks so cute. Very, very, very simple. And like I said, to hang it to the wall, you're just going to need some twine to just tie. And there's a little loop at the top, which makes it so much easier. And get your twine from Dollar Tree. They come like 3 in a pack. And that's all you're going to need for this particular DIY. I love it so much. So for the next DIY, we're going to look at this lovely wall terrarium. It's also with succulents. I absolutely love the way it turned out. To hang it with the burlap, you're going to need to glue that down with some E6000 glue or some hot glue just to get it to hang onto the wall. So you're going to need your baking pie pan from Dollar Tree. You're going to need the clear plastic plates, and you're just going to cut it in half. You're going to need some brown rocks. You do not need these sand. I was going to get that, and you do not need the lemongrass. So you're going to get your twine, your white rocks. You're going to get your different variety of succulents, your scissors, and your hot glue to hang on the burlap. So this is how it's going to look once you're done gluing the half of the clear white plate. And like I said, I got this from Dollar Tree. You're going to put that around and hang it on there. Next, you're going to take your white rocks and you're going to fill it in. This is going to be like a layering type project. You're going to layer it with the white first. I actually really like it with the white on the bottom first, but you can do it the way you want it. I just thought that this way looks so much better and so much cleaner to do it this way. So I just piled the rocks. I didn't use the entire bag for this, but this was perfect because I didn't want it overflowing, and it can get a little heavy. So I just used half of the bag to put on the bottom there. So as you can see, I'm just go ahead and just layering the entire bottom half. Then you're going to take your brown rocks. I actually like these rocks. I call them river rocks, but you can just layer them in there really nicely. These rocks are going to be very beneficial for you when you put your succulents in there. It's going to actually hold it in place. So that's why I really like this. And also these river rocks gives it a nice color to it, a nice earthly tone color. And as you can see, it's layered, and you can see the white and you can see the rocks. This is perfect. I thought this was super, super simple because everything you can get at Dollar Tree. And of course, next you're going to get your succulents. I got all these different varieties. These are all at my Dollar Tree. And you can just put them anywhere that you want them. And this is how mine came out. I layered them this way. I just used 3 of them. And I thought this was so nice, so simple. And like I said, you won't need the twine for this one because it's so heavy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, hit that like button. If you are new here and you are just visiting for the first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Mo. And hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification button so that you'll be notified of all my new videos. And comment down below and let me know which one of the wall hangings that you like. So if you're new, just say hi down at the bottom. I would like to get to know you. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to live your life beautifully, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.